Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to drop the spare tire in your Metris van. It's a pretty quick process. I'm going to run through it to you as quickly as possible. The spare tire is located underneath the vehicle at the rear of the vehicle. Things you're going to need: find your toolkit. Inside the toolkit are these 3 tools. This is what you need. This is the actual tool that connects to drop down the tire. You could either use this ratchet that comes with your kit or the actual tire iron to connect to the back of this. Okay? Just under here, next to the bolt, is a rectangular rubber piece. You're going to pull that out. Just grab a hold of one side, yank that out. You can see it's just a plug. Now you can see we got this hole here. We're going to put this in, and you're just going to feel, you want it to sink into the spot. So it locks into place. We're all good. You can use the ratchet, or as I will show, you can either use the tire wrench. And you're going to see the spare tire start dropping here. There it is. Now, once it drops, you want to keep going. Otherwise, you don't have any slack to take it down. So just keep going until it stops. And then I've given it all the slack that I can on this cable. Almost there. There we go. It stopped. I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to fight with it. You got a handle here. You can just slide the tire out. So what you're going to want to do now is just pick the tire up, stand it up. There we go. And now we have access to this mechanism here. What you're going to do is just slide it up a little bit to give it some more slack and feed it through like that. Well, now you're free. You can take off the cover, and now you can use the tire wherever you need to use it. It's that simple. Do the reverse to put it back away. Take care, everybody.